Hello again. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to share a local folder in your Kali Linux virtual machine. For this, I created on my desktop a folder called pentest_share. If we go inside the folder, you can see that I have a PNG file in here. I want to be able to see this folder and this file from my Kali Linux virtual machine, and I also want to be able to delete this file or add new files if I want to. So we can do this two ways, via Kali Linux general user interface or from the command line. I will show you how to do it from the general user interface, but also I will provide you the commands to do it from the command line. So let's start. As you can see, I have my Kali Linux machine already started. First step is to add in the settings of the virtual machine the local folder we want to share. For this we go to Player, Manage and Virtual Machine Settings. In the pop-up window we go into the Options tab and in the Shared Folders. On the right side we click the Add button and a wizard will pop up. Click Next. And then using the Browse button, we will select the folder we want to share. Okay, going to my desktop and looking for pentest_share. In the name field, you can put whatever you want. I prefer to leave it as it is on the local machine. In the next screen, you can define if you want to be able to write in that folder or not. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I want to be able to put files from that folder or delete files from that folder. This is why I will not click the option of read only. I will just click on finish, check that my folder was added in the list, and click OK. Now we move to our Kali distribution. Please make sure you are logged in with the root user. If you're not, you can still do these steps, but from the command line, which I will show you a little bit later. Now, we open File Manager and go to File System, and we are looking for the MNT folder, which is the mount folder. In the mount folder, we are looking for a folder called hgfs. If it's not here, like is my case, we can simply create it. hgfs, create, and we move to the next step. Now we go back to the root folder and look for etc folder. Double click it. Inside etc we scroll down looking for a file, write a file, not a folder, called fstab. We double click it in order to edit this file. Once you are inside the file, go to the last line and copy paste the command I put in the description of this video. Okay, save the file and we are done. All we need to do now is to reboot the virtual machine. Let's close it and restart the machine. Until we wait for the machine to restart, I would like to remind you that it will be very helpful for me if you subscribe to my channel and like my video. Once the virtual machine is up and running again, all we need to do is to go to the MNT folder, hgfs, and there it is, the local folder, and inside the PNG file, right? Exactly as we have it on our local machine. This is it, but now let me quickly show you how to do this from the command line in case you are not logged in with root. The steps are basically the same. First, we go to the MNT folder using the cd command. Here we are looking for the hgfs folder. Again, if it's not created, we create it with this command, but don't forget about sudo. Once this is done, We edit the fstab file again with sudo because we are not root, right? We put this command at the end of the file, and in the end we click save. Once this is done, again using sudo, we need to reboot the machine. After the machine has been rebooted, you of course go to the path I showed you and you can see the local folder. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.